In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the merge or combine shapes feature in PowerPoint for all versions as of 2023. This feature can be incredibly useful if you frequently work with shapes in your presentations, allowing for more creative control and better layout customization. First, let's start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. This might seem straightforward, but it's essential to have the program running before making any of these changes. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the specific PowerPoint presentation where you wish to enable the Merge Shapes feature. It's always a good idea to have your presentation ready, as this allows you to immediately see how the changes affect your workflow. Next, direct your attention to the top menu and click on the File tab. This will open a new menu where you'll find various options related to your PowerPoint settings and configurations. In this area, look for the Options button. It's usually located towards the bottom of the menu, so you may need to scroll down to find it. By clicking this, you enter the PowerPoint Options dialog box, which serves as the control center for tweaking the software's functionality to better suit your needs. Now, in the Options window, look for the Quick Access toolbar. This is the section where you can customize the toolbar that sits above your ribbon for quick access to your frequently used commands. The next step is crucial. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Popular Commands. Click on this drop-down and select all commands from the list. This change will display a comprehensive list of every command available in PowerPoint rather than just the most popular ones. Once you've switched to all commands, you can begin scrolling through the list to find the Merge Shapes feature. Don't worry, this list is usually in alphabetical order, so finding merge shapes should be relatively straightforward. However, take your time. It's important to ensure you select the correct feature, as there are many options to choose from. When you locate the Merge Shapes feature, click on it once to highlight it, then move to the side and click the Add button. This will add the Merge Shapes feature to your quick access toolbar, making it easily accessible whenever you need it. To finalize your changes and save your new toolbar configuration, simply click OK. And there you have it, a beautifully set up quick access toolbar with the Merge Shapes command ready for you to use. Empower your presentations with this versatile tool and streamline your workflows. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your PowerPoint skills.